Hello, it's Lucas Weber, and I'm very excited to share with everybody Ag Business and Crops' first attendance to the XAG conference in China in 2024. So after 19 and a half hours of travel, we got to China. We saw Tim Hortons for all the Canadians out there watching. It was very worth the wait. Being able to kind of see XAG's headquarters and the city around it that makes those beautiful drones that we all love over here in North America. We were able to get together with some of the United States dealers, as well as there's 60 plus countries, I believe, at this conference. So this first day, as you can see, we had some good meetings with some of the XAG representatives. Some one-to-one kind of understanding of where XAG is going, looking at their R&D department and kind of getting a good grip of what XAG stands for and how much they care about the end consumer. So we always had dinner with our southern neighbors, typically the United States and Brazil, to kind of get to know them and bounce some ideas off. So here you see the first day of the actual conference. Seeing where XAG is going, as well as their testing facility, their X farm, to be able to get a demo of here, their automatic irrigation system, their APC2 unit, which is coming out for their auto steer. And the big thing that everybody wants to see is the XAG P150 and how that's going to just blow your socks off when you see this drone in person, from the increased speed, the increased weight that it can carry, and bigger tanks, especially their radar. It went over those trees all automatically with the terrain following. To end off the night, XAG kind of threw a little bit of a party and award ceremony, just a very light evening. The second day, we started off with going to the XAG factory, and what really surprised me here is the extensive testing that they do with these drones before they get sent out, and just how sturdy and well built these things are from the ground up. And then we went back to the XAG headquarters for a geek talk, just seeing where XAG's future lies and their innovations. We're ending the night with another group dinner with everybody at the restaurant from around the world. Then the third and last day we were there with some private training for Canada and some other countries to get some hands-on training with the XAG P150 to better service it once it comes over to North America, and really seeing our different options and how well this product is made and how customizable it is made for any operation. And it was wonderful to see the farm and see how they operate over there. I really want to thank XAG for being amazing hosts. It was a wonderful time being there and seeing how they really care about the end user and the ag industry and really want to push it to be more innovative. So other than that, thanks for watching. Happy flying, and we'll talk soon.